Hello. Just so you know, your stop's being recorded. You can see your license and insurance. We're stopping you. The plates are expired on the vehicle.
Oh, fuck. my damn girl up here with the damn plates in that damn trunk. She right up there at the cleaners. I was just going to get it right now.
Okay.
Contact with the bus driver.
She right up the street.
There were two kids smoking in the back of the bus. They got off the bus. It's a 19 call.
Okay, just give us a few minutes.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna write it.
I might have you walk up, though, because I can't tell if this looks like him at all.
What's the insurance under?
Well, it's under his girl, Sarah Williams.
Okay. He mentioned his brother, right?
No.
Okay. I'm making up stories.
You're probably thinking of another stop in your own. Long number.
Okay. He asking for another form of identification. You wanna give me this?
Yeah.
Mr. Michaels, do you have another form of identification on you?
No.
You don't. You have nothing on you with your name on it. Debit card, credit card, anything.
No.
No? No debit card? I'm going to ask you to step out of the car first. Step in the back, okay?
Heading down the alley. Hi. He might be on the next block over. He cut through one of the yards. He went to this way. He cut through one of the yards. He might be going down the block. All right, put your hands up. I got him in the yard. Put your hands up. Put your hands up, sir. Keep your hands up. Yes. Put your hands up, sir. Step up the stairs. Come up the stairs. All the way up the stairs. In the alley, still on 79th. That car I spoke to, if they can come back to that yard. Put your hands in the air.
I don't have shit.
Okay. Put your hands in the air. Come up the steps. Turn around. Turn around. Keep your hands up. Turn around. Keep your hands up. Put your hands up. Keep your hands up, sir. Keep your hands up, sir. Keep them up. Sir, I'm gonna tase you. Taser, taser! Oh. Taser deployed! Taser deployed!
Watch out, watch out.
I'm gonna tase you again, sir. Stay down.
Squad, we're just west of Langley on the north side of
You're hit behind the back! You're hit behind the back!
Go, go, go!
Got it? You're good?
Yeah.
Put up your hand, motherfucker!
We together, one in custody.
We're all together. You can slow it down. You're in custody.
Give me his other hand.
Those are cards.
Ben, we got him.
We need somebody by the offender vehicle in our vehicle and our location at traffic stop.
Motherfucker. No, get up.
Get the fuck up, dude!
Come on, get up. Get up.
Everybody slow down in custody. We say.
Get up. Get up.
What you got on you? Hold on. Just
Can you
let me see
get
it.
an ambulance to deploy the taser? 764.
Alright, 1600 on the clock, 1600 on the clock.
You kept reaching in those pockets.
You keep it?
Why the hell are you running, dude?
Because we will figure it out in a second.
Go ahead, what's the plate? 549, Tom 487, 549, Tom 487, tip there. So far. And 686, you guys
Oh, my
taking EMS
goodness.
over there for that taser deployment?
10-4.
Alright, we'll get him rolling.
Yeah, it is a shop plane.
What's that by his foot right there?
Well, it's something.
Okay.
He had his stuff on him before. So,
We'll have to do,
630, go ahead. 686, are you okay? 686, you hit your emergency button.
no, it's not us.
oh,
Time for
okay.
we're here with the offenders.
Stand up. Stand up.
Alright, Tom 4.
Yeah, he probably just had the warrant. He's stupid.
Walk this way. Hey,
Where are the
at me.
prongs at?
walk this way.
Probably in him.
I'm all tied up.
Yeah.
05. Can you tell me exactly where they're at? Because I cannot find them.
So the 700.